My husband is conveniently out of town for work for the next couple days, and I am in this hotel room. We are having fire accident renovation at our house, and you guys, this is literally going to be my life all summer. We've got the little kitchen area. And of course, we've got a mess because we have toddlers. Tiny little living room area. A bedroom for the toddlers to share. Genevieve, what are you doing in there? Let's see, what's Jackie watching? Oh, Thomas. That's your favorite, isn't it? Can you say hi? You little chirper, chirping like a little birdie. Let's see what Sissy's doing. Hi. Hi, Sissy. And then we've got our bedroom. This is where I'm going to be filming my videos. Oh, God, guys. We do have a separate bathroom, thankfully. But yeah, so this is life for probably till July or longer. It's going to take over 8 weeks for our cabinetry to come in. And in the meantime, our house is bare. So the kitchen has been completely ripped out. So the house is unlivable with babies. And here we are. Pray for us.